This is the paper of biology issued by CBSE as a sample paper for 2025 exam. First of all, some instruction and certain headings are given. It has 70 marks, time 3 hours, all question compulsory, 33 question, 16 question of 1 mark, 5 question of 2 marks, 7 question 3 marks, 2 question 4 marks, and 3 question of 5 marks. These are the instructions. This is actually the paper style of the biology paper, and all paper are of the same style. For plus 2 main subject have same style paper, 70 marks. Where practical is concerned, for example in chemistry, physics, biology, the style is always same. Now in this paper we will take from the question number first. From first to 12 are MCQ question. They have 4 choices, and the first question is signal for parturition in human female originate from fully developed fetus only, placenta as well as fully developed fetus. The answer is B. Fully developed fetus and placenta both give the signal for parturition. To produce 1600 seeds, number of meiosis division. Here it is a technical question. In this, actually average is 1.25 because the male gamete, one cell will form, one meiosis will form 4 male gamete, and one meiosis will form 1 female gamete. Therefore, 2 meiosis will form 5, or we can say that for the 2000 seed, we will need 2000 male gamete that will be formed by 500 meiosis, because 1 meiosis will form 4 male gamete. And in case of female, it will form for the 2000 seed, for 1600 seed, it will form 1600 meiosis. So the total number of meiosis for 1600, 400 for male and 1600 for female, it will be 2000. A sample of normal double-stranded DNA was found thymine content 27. When thymine is 27, we know that adenine form with thymine and cytosine will form with guanine. The content of thymine is 27. Then, according to Chargaff rule, the thymine will be 27, so adenine will be 27. So both will be 54. The remaining two will be 100 minus 54, 46%. Here the guanine and cytosine will be 46%, each will be equal because guanine formed with the cytosine, they will be 23% each. Here a diagram of DNA is given, and it is asked that what will be the sequence from 5 to 3. In this you are seeing that in the 5 and at the left side, the first is only one hexagonal ring, and so it is a pyrimidine, then purine, then pyrimidine, then purine. In the 5 to 3, the sequence is pyrimidine, purine, pyrimidine, purine, and in this sequence you will see that cytosine is a pyrimidine, guanine is a purine, thymine again pyrimidine, adenine purine. So sequence will be C, G, T, A, B choice. Then in the question number 5, Rajesh and Suresh had defective hemoglobin due to genetic disorder. In Suresh, the problem is qualitative, as in having incorrectly functioning globin molecule, while the Rajesh quantitative, as he is having very few globin molecule. Identify the disorder. If we see that in the thalassemia and sickle cell anemia is the disease in which the quality of protein is different, and in the thalassemia the quantity is different because there is the different disorder. So the answer will be C. Sickle cell anemia is in Suresh and thalassemia is in Rajesh, that is autosomal recessive disorder. Escherichia coli lack of operon gets switched when lactose is added, then the lac operon get activate, so it is present in the medium and bind to the repressor. Which of the following features show the mechanism secondary transmission in honeybee? In honeybee, actually male is haploid and female is diploid. So in this the offspring formed from the union of sperm and egg develop as a female, it is correct, 1. Then the second, male have half number of chromosomes than female, it is also correct. So 1 and 2 both are correct. The male are haploid having 32, no, the chromosome are not 32. All worker and male are haploid having 16, it is also wrong, 14 chromosome. The following diagram shows the fragment of DNA which is going to be transcribed. Here the upper strand with 3 to 5 and the is template strand. The template strand is 3 to 5 and the transcription of mRNA. Actually template strand is responsible for coding. So the after transcription, then A will form with U, T with A, G with C and C with G. So the sequence will be from 5 to 3. It is 3 to 5, that will be 5 to 3. U, A, C, G, G, 5 to 3. Idli dosa produce carbon dioxide because it is a type of fermentation. Adaptive radiation lead to which of the following: rapid divergence of the trait of population in a given geographical area. EcoR1 cut the DNA between G and A. Only when sequence of G 80%, it comes between G and A at side 1, another side 5, and at the second side 5 and 1. So the answer will be A. During the secondary treatment of sewage, which of the following change in the effluent occur in the flow? Reduction in BOD, biochemical oxygen demand, because the oxygen content increases, that is treated in open air, so the oxygen content increases, so reduction in BOD. Then now these 4 questions are of assertion region type. Cell of tapetum have more than one nucleus. Actually in this it is true, but they undergo meiosis without cytokinesis. In this the C answer is C. A is true but R is false. Tapetum cell do not undergo meiosis, they go mitosis but no cytokinesis. Deoxyribonucleotide phosphate have several dual purpose. They act as proofreader and provide energy. Here is also C. A is true but C, R is false. A floating cover placed over the slurry in a biogas plant keeps on rising. Yes, it rising due to formation of methane gas. This cover keeps on rising due to gas produced in the tank by the microbial activity. Both are correct. A. Assertion: DNA fragment can be isolated by gel ectoplasm on the basis of their size. It is true. The larger the fragment size, the faster it moves. It is false. Larger move slowly, but the smaller move fastly. So answer will be C. Then section B. It is the question of 2 marks. A blood test reported negative for HCG. It means she is not pregnant. HCG is used as a test for pregnancy. What does HCG imply? Human chorionic hormone that is released by placenta, and so it means she is not pregnant. Name the tissue. It is produced by placenta. Then if a blood test reported positive for HCG in a person, then which other hormone would be secreted by the tissue? Actually, it is asking the hormone secreted by placenta, because placenta is for secreting HCG. So placental lactogen, estrogen, progesterone, and lectin, these are the hormone secreted by the placenta. The choice in this question is: human female ejaculate 200 to 300 million sperm during coitus. Fertilized by how does the ovum block? Actually, when the fertilization occurs, then the membrane of the ovum become hard due to the contact of the sperm. It block the entry of other sperm. The zona pellucida membrane become hard. Ovum and sperm should be transported at the same time to facilitate the fertilization. So all copulation do not lead to fertilization, because at every copulation time there is no ovum available in the fallopian tube. The schematic representation of the given below show DNA strand and 2 type of mutation are given. Here this is the AUG original template, and the mutation के बाद 1 and 2 में, here you are seeing that at the 4th place C is replaced by A in both, and in second A is replaced by G. In first mutation only C is replaced by A. All other are same. It is point mutation. There is only mutation at the single nitrogen base. In second there are many nitrogen base are replaced. Here you are seeing that actually in the second case frame shift has occurred. Here the C is replaced and in place of C is deleted and AGA has been shifted and then CAU, then CUU and then AG. So second is frame shift and first is point mutation. Here more codon are shifted, it will have the second mutation have more effect than the first, because there will be non-functional protein will be formed and in the first only one amino acid will be different. Given below is a schematic representation of mRNA strand. It is the mRNA. In the above sequence, identify the translational unit in mRNA. The translational unit will be start from starting codon AUG. See, AUG is here. In the mRNA starting codon and the before starting codon is the UTR untranslated region, that is AGGU, and then in the stop codon is UAA here, and the after UAA you are seeing there are AAUAA. These both are untranslated region, they are needed for the efficient translation process. Here is a relationship between HIV level in the AIDS in the blood and helper T count cell in a person detected with AIDS. So in this what kind of relationship is observed in the virus level and the immune response after some days of the initial infection? How does completely clear the virus from the body permanently give result here? Adaptive immune response gears up, there is reciprocal relationship, because between the virus, as the virus amount increases from here, the T cell count decreases. It means they is inversely proportional to each other. After several years later, if untreated HIV patient will lose the adaptive immune response and finally his all the immunity will be lost and antibody formation will be stopped and finally the anti lymphocyte cell will be damaged and person will be dead. A culture plate of lactobacillus of blue colored colony and colorless colony explain the principle importance of such variants. The variance of color of colony due to principle of insertion activation. In this recombinant DNA is inserted, therefore the original gene have been changed and that will not produce its product. So in the insertional activation the enzyme will not be produced and due to this the chromogenic substance will give blue color colony which was not having an insert. Presence of interresultant insertional activation of the beta galactosidase and colony do not produce any color, either A or B. It was estimated that evergreen forest had GPP 400 and 150 days worth carbon dioxide flow out of the forest. What is the NPP? In this, and explain why pyramid of energy must always be upright. Assume that GPA forest, GPP forest, B, GPP forest C, A has it amount is given of the energy per day in different forest, and then which of these forests have maximum energy loss by respiration. In this, if we see GPP 400 or 150, so NPP will be the difference of these 250 joule per meter square. Pyramid of energy always upright because the energy is transferred from one level to another, and at every level less energy is transferred from the first level, therefore it is also always upright. As the level increases, the amount of energy available decreases, therefore it is always upright, though it can never be inverted. GPP equal, then it will manipulate the maximum energy, therefore the stored energy will be minimum. NPP is equal to GPP minus respiratory loss. Respiration of plant barabar GPP minus NPP. This means that the smallest NPP has the largest population, that is a forest C. Here a animal are given, and in this the philia in the water. These are the food chain. Grass, animal, flea, it is the food chain. Tree producer, insect and woodpecker, these are the pyramid as well as food chain. This is the second question. Now the part C. In the part C, the image show two germinated seeds. If you see in the image, in the first there are three plants are originating from the same embryo, and in the second only one plant is originating. So the seed X is produced by apomixis and it has three embryo, and seed Y is producing a single embryo. So the embryo are three but embryo sac is one in the X. In the Y, one embryo and one embryo sac. How multiple embryo are formed in the citrus fruit by the process of apomixis? That is the what advantage will plant develop from seed Y have over seed X? The new cell grow mitotically to form many embryo. The plant growing from seed X will have to share the resources only to single seed. Therefore, it will produce the strong and healthy plant. But the X will have to produce the food into three plant. Therefore, it will have weak and smaller plant. And seed Y has genetic variation and seed X will not have genetic variation because apomixis, the embryo are produced by mitosis, in this by meiosis. Name the place in human ovary where meiotic division is completed. During oogenesis. During oogenesis, in the meiosis is completed in the primary oocyte. Then primary oocyte, first meiotic division to form a large haploid secondary oocyte in the first polar body, and the second meiosis division complete during the fertilization period. The schematic representation is given below. It is actually reverse transcription. DNA central dogma में DNA after replication will form DNA or after transcription mRNA and protein. Name the process of replication and transcription. The pairing of nitrogen base is not similar. When the pairing of nitrogen base is not similar, it is known as transcription. During how is the above process modified? In vitro DNA will form RNA. Then RNA will form DNA. It is a reverse transcription. And then from RNA, DNA, from the DNA will form RNA and protein. During replication, adenine pair with thymine in DNA, but in the RNA, the adenine pair with uracil. In retrovirus, nucleic acid is RNA and it is synthesized by DNA. The process is called reverse transcription. It is highly energy rich process. Describe the step involved: 1000 plot, hybridization using radiotable, isolation of DNA, digestion of DNA, separation of DNA, transferring separated DNA to synthetic membrane, cellulose or nylon, hybridization using labeled VTR probe, and detection by autoradiography. Biofertilizer are organisms which are mainly bacteria. They are the nitrogen fixing bacteria, fungi, and cyanobacteria. They are found in the root of leguminous plant. Symbiotic bacteria also. They increase the fertility of the soil. Some bacteria are free living, some are symbiotic. These bacteria increase the fertility of the soil. Some fungi are also responsible, which are found in the root of the some plants, and they are in the symbiotic relation. They are also responsible to increase the fertility of the soil. These are called biofertilizer. Cyanobacteria are autotrophic microbes which are also responsible for stock and abinavscleria. They increase the fertility of the soil. PCR technique is used to amplification. It is used actually polymerase chain reaction, that is the outside the cell. It is used to replicate the DNA, and it has very different process. The process is, first of all, we denaturation Then is the annealing, then extension, and using tag polymerase or DNA polymerase enzyme, and then many copy it is amplified many times, and many copy of the DNA are made by this technique. This technique is done as to produce a new DNA. The many copies of the desired DNA are made by this technique outside the cell. So amplified provide now can be used to ligate or for the vector for different biotechnological process. A diagram given below of different species of Warbler bird feeding on the different region in the tree. Mechanism. This mechanism, they are able to coexist by the mechanism resource partitioning because they can share the resource. They may eat at different substances. Two species compete for the same resource. They could avoid competition by resource partitioning or the foraging patterns. MacArthur thought that 5 closely related species of Warbler living in the same were avoid of competition by their foraging activities. Gauge exclusion principle states that no two closely related species can live at the same place for indefinite period. In them, inferior will be eliminated eventually. Here, it is not eliminated because they has partitioning the content. Within a population of beetle Hardy-Weinberg condition, B is dominant and here small b recessive. 40% are red. When 40% are red, the frequency of red beetle, and in this question, BB is Q square is 0.4 because capital B plus small b is equal to 1. Then Q square is 4.4, that Q will be under root 4, that will be 0.632. So the Q will be 0.63, then P will be 1 minus 0.63.37. Percentage of beetle in the population will be 2PQ, that is calculated 2 into 0.337 into 63, that is 0.47. Then part C or D, BB is equal to 1500, the total population 40% is red. So number of beetle will be 15%, 1500 का 40%, that will be 600. Total population 1500, red is 600, the black will be 1500 minus 60, 600, 900. The pattern of temperature explain the factor responsible for the pattern of temperature. In this you are seeing that temperature increases, decreases, then increases, then decreases. It is actually a case of malaria. And in this the RBC are the responsible for the, because the malaria parasite attack RBC. So the fever is recurring after 3-4 days continuously. And this parasite is reproduced asexually in the liver cell, bursting the cells and releasing into the blood. And this parasite is Plasmodium. This further reproduces asexually in the RBC, and then it complete its life cycle in the mosquito. Then is the next part. The infection is caused by the biting of female Anopheles mosquito introduced by the sporulity of antibody. Fertilization takes place in the mosquito gut. Section E. Cryptocoridism is a condition in which testes fail to function here and in fact only dig cell function. At least 3 parameters of the male fertility and which process will be expected of mature spermatozoid are not released. Name and explain one assisted art technique. Name and explain assisted reproductive technology. Explain significance of each of the feature in rose baby plant. Sperm count decreases, spermatogenesis is impaired during the cryptocoridism because the sperm do not mature at the high temperature. So in this, at the low temperature, that is necessary for the development of the sperm. They will not develop. Leading cells synthesize and secrete androgen hormone, and so secretion of androgen hormone will also be affected due to the cryptocoridism. Then the spermiation is the condition of formation of sperm. Artificial insemination is the technique. In this technique, the semen collected from the husband or healthy donor is artificially introduced into the vagina of the uterus. Intracytoplasmic sperm injection is another specialized procedure by which the fertilization may be done or the reproduction may be done. Zygote or early embryo up to 8 blastomere could be transferred and that may be developed in the fallopian or the fallopian tube, or intrauterine transfer to complete the further development. In rose bay plants, the time of maturation of stem pistil is not same. The pollen will not able to germinate on the stigma, so this prevent autogamy. Different position and incomplete placement of reproductive structure prevent successful pollination and autogamy. Pollen pistil interaction for same species is not possible. This is the genetic mechanism which prevents the pollen pistil. The male and female flower are present at the same plant but are not preventing self-pollination in castor. In papaya, the male flower and female flower are in different plant, which prevent autogamy. 32 question, explain how advent of biotechnology will prevent infestation by nematode. In the future, genetic therapy may be used to prevent, treat and cure certain. Student, nematode parasite of wide variety of plant, and when a nematode Melidogyne incognoscere infect the root of tobacco plant is cause a great reduction in the yield. For this, the RNA interference was used. RNA interference takes place in all eukaryotic organisms because it prevents the functioning of the DNA and therefore it do not allow the RNA functioning. Another complementary DNA is inserted and that DNA forms the complementary RNA, so RNA becomes double stranded here and it is known as RNA science link. The source of the complementary RNA could be from infection by virus or from any other technique. Using agrobacterium bacterial nematode specific gene were introduced into the host plant and thus the RNA interference was done. The introduction of DNA was such time that it produced a complementary DNA. Both sense and antisense DNA were produced and hence the RNA was double stranded and thus the RNA interference was done. And the parasite could not survive because it could not replicate. Gene therapy is a collection of methods that was done for the first time in the ADA deficiency in a 4-year-old girl, and in this the enzyme was responsible for the production of immunity. The disorder is caused by the deletion of gene for adenosine deaminase. In some children, ADA deficiency could be cured by bone marrow transplant, but the problem was for this in the lymphocyte cell. If the lymphocyte cell, the gene therapy is given, it could be permanent cure. And so it was about the ADA deficiency, and it could be written after understanding in detail. In the 33 question, why there is a not conserve biodiversity? Biodiversity is very important. There are many regions narrowly utilitarian so that the many product comes from the biodiversity. Broadly utilitarian says that the biodiversity plays a major role in the supply of ecological service. And it is Amazon rainforest is having most of the biodiversity. Many benefits are obtained from the biodiversity. We get a lot of substance from the biodiversity. Ethical reasons are also that every organism has the right to live. So these are the different causes, so we should conserve biodiversity. There are 4 major causes of biodiversity loss: habitat loss and fragmentation. This is the first. We have lost the habitat and fragment. Overexploitation, we would overexploit alien species, invasion, and the co-extinction. These are the different causes. We have to write only 2 causes. So these may be explained on the basis of the. Then is the difference between in situ and ex situ conservation. In situ is the conservation in the original habitat, ex situ is the outside, for example in the zoo or in the different location, and here in the area are totally conserved where organism lives. So these are in this there may be seed bank, there may be tissue culture, gene, or the zoo or the botanical park. These are the area is help the multiplication fastly. It has not multiplication, it is only preserve them. Zoo, aquarium, seed bank, these are the different. A stable community should not be so too much variation in the productivity from year to year. It must be either resistant to cell or occasional disturbance. So this was about the your CBSE sample paper you should